Hi guys, my name is Katiang, and today we will discuss about computation of limits in basic calculus. Before we start, we will have a short recap about limit. A limit is the value that a function or sequence approaches as the input or index approaches some value. The function that allows us to use is limit of f of x is equal to f of a, where x is approaching a. To compute limits, however, there are also many limits for which this won't work easily. The purpose of this section is to develop techniques for dealing with some of these limits that will not allow us to just use this fact. Example: evaluate the following limit. Limit of x squared plus 4x minus 12 over x squared minus 2x, where x is approaching to 2. Solution. First, let's notice that if we try to plug in or direct substitute the x is equal to 2, we get limit of x squared plus 4x minus 12 over x squared minus 2x, where x is approaching to 2 is equal to 0 over 0 or does not exist. So, we can't just plug in or direct substitute the x is equal to 2 to evaluate the limit. So, we're going to do something else. The first thing that we should always do when evaluating limit is to simplify the function as much as possible. In this case, that means factoring both the numerator and the denominator. Doing this gives limit of x squared plus 4x minus 12 over x squared minus 2x, where x is approaching to 2 is equal to limit of x minus 2 times x plus 6, where x times x minus 2, where x is approaching to 2 is equal to limit of x plus 6 over x, where x is approaching to 2. So, upon factoring, we saw that we could cancel an x minus 2 from both the numerator and the denominator. Upon doing this, we now have a new rational expression that we can plug in or direct substitute the x is equal to 2 into, because we lost the division by 0 problem. Therefore, the limit of x squared plus 4x minus 12 over x squared minus 2x, where x is approaching to 2 is equal to limit of x plus 6, where x plus 6 over x, where x is approaching to 2 is equal to 8 over 2 or 4. Here is another example of evaluate the following limit. Limit of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1, where x is approaching to negative 2. Solution. In this case, we will do the direct substitute. Limit of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 1, where x is approaching to negative 2 is equal to, open parenthesis, negative 2 cubed minus 3 times negative 2 squared plus 4 times negative 2 minus 1, close parenthesis. Open is equal to, open parenthesis, negative 2 cubed, minus 3 times 4 plus 4 times negative 2 minus 1, where negative 2 cubed is equal to negative 8, negative 3 times 4 is equal to negative 12, positive 4 times negative 2 is equal to negative 8, and minus 1 negative 8 minus 12 minus 8 minus 1 is equal to negative 29. So, that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy or you learned something lesson from this video lecture. Thanks for watching.